Hello mommies, welcome to a new vlog at Mommy's Corner. This is going to be our first vlog of many more to come, so I hope you enjoy and hopefully subscribe, like, share and join the family. Got started on the laundry of the day because thankfully I had done most of the laundry the previous day. This was the next day and I was just rehanging some of the laundry that had not dried the previous day. My sister coming to spy on our neighbor. I had gotten quite lazy when it came to folding clothes, so I decided to pick up where I'd left off. I think it had been almost more than a week ago. So guys, please do not become lazy to fold clothes, especially when you have a baby. Hi guys, it's currently in the evening on Saturday. That was Toroitich, my boy cried because the calendar he was playing with, because he has discarded all his other toys, got stuck under a chair and he could not get it out. Anyway, babies. What can you say about babies other than they're precious but still sometimes annoying? Anyway, yeah, I wanted to go on a small rant about how content creating and being broke is such a hassle. Like sometimes I can have content but the data to actually start uploading it is sometimes not available, or I use the limited data that sometimes like is for 1 hour, and then like Safaricom decides to become a bitch. Safaricom decides today we are not doing our work and it becomes hell, and sometimes you end up losing data before you use it. Anyway, hopefully I'll be able to upload more. Let me get back to giving my baby attention, because if you do not give him attention, he gets so cranky. See you later, guys. We are preparing to go to bed. The lighting is so bad. We are using solar. Good night. We are using solar only in my room where the lighting is not that good. Good night, guys. Hey guys, so it's on Sunday. We're just coming from church. It's around 2. Church today took a while, but it was a really good session today. Hello, good morning, guys. So today is on Monday, and I'm headed to our local Soko to purchase a few things, clothes and sweaters for my little boy. So see you when I do the haul for the clothes. Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give you a haul of the things that I got from Soko. Mind you, everything that I have here is thrifted. So let's get to it. This next sweater, it just white, so and I have not washed it. Just loved how tiny these Crocs were, and I just could not resist not getting them, even though they are too big for him currently. Could not resist to get myself something, so I also got myself the same. It's to mine. I've already worn it. These ones I got them from just a random shop. That was all for the haul. I'll insert the prices of everything I got there. And since I got it from Soko, obviously the things were a bit cheaper than getting it from a baby shop. But still, baby clothes are a bit expensive. Not that expensive from Soko because they're thrifted, but it's nap time. Good afternoon, guys. So it's currently 1 p.m. and I wanted to make lunch, actually warm some lunch in our traditional kitchen. It's Sunday. It's been like almost a week since the last time I vlogged, so I decided to try and keep up with it, and so I thought I'll take you along as I prepare lunch, actually warm some lunch. So let's get to it. I'm in the process of actually undoing my hair. As you can see, I've only done one part. Then the rest of these are still, I'm just doing it like one day, one line, because I just don't want to do all of them and then they stay like that in my head and I'm not planning to go to the salon anytime soon. So I just wanted to undo them and then like do these ugly lines just to hold them still in, and then I plan on washing them soon, tomorrow, and then maybe by Monday I'll go to the salon or during the weekend. Anyway, I just wanted to end this vlog. Anyway, I just wanted to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, share, comment, And also turn on the notification so that you do not miss out any videos every time I upload. See you, bye. Some baby cuteness urging you to please subscribe, comment, share, and most importantly, like the video.